Good evening, Subhash. How are you today?
Yeah, I am very good. What about you? How are you?
Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm actually on a holiday I'm on a vacation from work today. So I had a
Oh,
pretty
it's great.
relaxing day, no classes for me. So
Wow.
yes, yes,
Good.
yeah. And what about you? What was the highlight of your day?
Highlight. Okay, let me think.
Mhm.
Okay, I just can tell you. Uh, there is nothing to tell.
Okay. That was a pretty regular day, is it?
Yes, yes. Pretty regular day. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Awesome. Yeah, I have one question to you. So, do you know that you can gauge if a person is lying or if a person is, trying to hide something based on their body language? Some people say that if they look up means they're lying or something like that. They have made their own analysis,
Mhm.
right? So, do you believe in that? Do you think by looking at someone's body language we can identify if they're speaking the truth or not?
Yeah, sometimes, but I cannot say that. I mean,
Mhm.
I have not such an experience, but I have
Mhm.
heard that body language give you the truth. I mean, what he or she is
Yeah.
talking should be true.
Yes. Yes. So I think even the police force they use all these techniques, right, to check if a person is being truthful or if they are the criminal. So they use these tactics.
Yeah, that's true. But
Mhm.
it works only for the petty criminals, I think, because
Mhm.
those are hardcore, and I don't think
Mhm.
it works for them. And that's why they also take the narcotic test to find out the truth, whether, I mean, whether the person is talking truth or not.
Mhm.
They resort to such thing.
Okay. Yes. Yes. So there are a lot of techniques they use, right? As you mentioned, the lie detector test, the narcotics test, that, this, and all. They have so many tricks up their sleeve to identify a criminal.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And do you think people can change if a person is a habitual liar? Okay. A compulsive liar. Okay. So, do you think they might turn over a new leaf if maybe at some point in their life, or they'll remain the same throughout?
If it is compulsive law, I think they are not. I mean, they are not in control
Mhm.
of their emotion because they do it under compulsion. It is a kind of, is it a kind of disease like? Mm.
Compulsive liar, I'm not sure if it's a
There is
diagnostic.
another term for it, no? This pathological liar or something.
Yeah, pathological liar. Yes.
Yes.
That's a clinical term now. Yeah, that's a clinical term. I'm just talking about regular, like people who are habituated to lying about every small thing. So, do you think there are chances such people, mend their ways, or do they remain the same all their life?
Maybe may happen sometimes. Suppose we just kind of lie, always lie like that, and some just it may so happens that due to his this habit, uh, he or
Mm.
she may mm, suffer a big loss or something that
Yeah.
happened which
Mhm.
is unwanted, and they may realize that okay, this is
Mhm.
because of my habit. Otherwise, it
Mhm.
would not have happened. So in that
Mm.
case, there is a chance that
Mhm.
from today I should not do such thing that will bring something bad on me or to some
Yeah.
other people. They may
Yeah.
uh,
Yes.
we
Yes.
learn from our mistakes. And
True.
we-
So, learning from our mistakes is very important, right? I had read somewhere that uh, any situation in our life will keep occurring if we don't learn from it. Okay, if something negative happened, something unfortunate happened, okay, if you're not ready to learn from it, that thing will keep occurring again and again until we learn our lesson. So I had read
yeah.
it somewhere. So how much do you agree with it, or you can disagree also? It's completely your perspective.
Yeah, it is. I agree because if we don't learn from our mistakes, so we'll keep on
Mhm.
making the same mistakes again and again.
Yep.
Now I'm
Yeah.
I'm receiving class from Megha, and Megha is telling me something that I should keep it in
Mhm.
mind and I would follow.
Mhm.
And if I don't do that, then I will be there. I will not improve, because
Mhm.
if knowing that I'm making mistake and don't make correct myself. So,
Okay. Amazing example. Okay. Great example, Subhash, I must say. It's completely situational.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Very well. That's nice. And if someone is fibbing to you, fibbing means telling a lie. Okay. If someone is fibbing, are you able to
With
spot lies?
the spelling, Vivian?
Fib. Okay.
Oh,
Fibbing.
okay.
Fibbing. Okay. So are you able to catch people when they're lying to you, or are you very trusting?
Yeah, there are some people just to make fun. They sometimes do this, and
Mm.
they make in such a manner. They speak in
Yeah.
such a manner, such a tone that
Yeah.
uh, there is no reason that you won't believe them. But
Okay.
if that person is known to you and you know that he has such a habit doing such things,
Hmm.
so one or two times you'll believe, but next time then you'll think, oh, what he's telling might not be true.
Yes.
Because no, he
Yes.
has kind of habit.
True. So the next time, even if they're saying the true thing to us, we might not believe them. We'll be like, okay, this person is just, lying. We might feel like that,
Yes,
right?
yeah, yes,
Hmm. Okay, okay, that's true. I think we even had a story like that in school, right? So there
yeah,
was a shepherd who used to cry out that there's a wolf there, and once actually a wolf came and caught his sheep, and no one came to help him. So I think there was a story, right?
yeah. Yes, yes. We also read that story. Yeah, but there is some thing called white lies. Yeah, that can be accepted, because sometimes we also do. Everybody does, and there is nothing wrong in it also, because suppose some of your friends or from someone known that you cannot avoid, if somebody um invite you, but you are not in that kind of mood that you should
Mm-hmm.
attend, or even you may not like to go for a party. You're not you're not a
Yeah.
kind of people like party animal. We just
Hmm.
tell, no,
Yes,
party
party
animal
animal.
is
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Yes, yes, it's the
Like
right word.
me, that I always try to avoid this kind of thing. So
Okay.
sometimes we say, oh, no, 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 I cannot go I cannot attend to your party. You know, tomorrow I have a friend supposed
Hmm.
to come, so I'll have to wait at my home. Otherwise, it
Hmm.
will look nice. So such things
Okay.
happen.
When you were a kid, okay, or even recently, has lying ever gotten you into any sort of trouble?
Mm, no, I don't remember actually.
Okay. So were you mischievous when you were in school with your teachers or at home? Did you get into trouble pretty often?
Yeah, during school I was mischievous child. Yeah,
Okay.
there are
Hmm.
some
Okay.
wrong things I did, yes,
Yeah.
which
I
I
think we
was not
all
supposed
do.
to do.
Okay. I think we all do that. That's why, right? We say kids are naive. They just do all kinds of things, and then when there are repercussions, they realize, okay, I shouldn't have done that. That's when they know. Yeah. Okay, fine. And let's imagine that you went to someone's home for dinner. Okay. And they have served you some dish. Okay. The main course itself is not tasty at all. It's not suiting your taste buds, but you're a polite person. You can't outright say to them that this is such terrible food. How will you tell it, or how will you stop them from serving you more?
It never happened to me, but sometimes what happened that suppose I went to I went to someone's place and they offered me
Mhm.
tea and
Mhm.
biscuits, like, or some other snack. So
Okay.
they, even though I say that no, I just don't want to take anything now,
Okay.
but they still insist. And I feel that
Mhm.
if I don't take, they would feel bad. So in
Yes.
that case, I take even though I don't want, just not to feel, make them feel bad. That's I do.
Okay. Okay. Mhm. Fine.
And I
So
used
yeah.
to do, it happened often to me earlier.
Mm.
But nowadays, due
Okay.
to this health uh, things, that now I'm a grown up old, so there is this health issues are there, like what to say, high blood pressure and
Mm. Okay.
like uh,
Mhm.
mm, thyroid problem, like this thing. So I'm bound to
Okay. Okay.
take
Yeah.
precautions of taking some
On
items.
strict diet.
Yeah. So in that case, now I have to say, uh,
Okay.
no, I can take, and they also understand.
Mm. Okay, fine. So situation gets managed there. So if it's a genuine concern, people do understand, right? They'll never force you or anything. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And when someone is dishonest with you, right? Do you get really angry? Do you react? Or do you try to, control your anger and you tell yourself, Subhash, okay, it's fine, just let it go. How do you handle the situation?
Actually, I get angry because I never do such things, never be dishonest
Mhm.
with anything while I interacting or dealing with anybody. So if it
Okay.
happens to me, yeah, obvious, I'll get angry.
Mm.
But I just try to control my anger. I have learned it.
Okay. Okay.
So when I think that, okay, he is such a kind of person, I don't have any control over him, what he does.
Okay.
So I can control my actions only. So in such a way,
Yes.
I console myself if such thing happens.
Okay, okay, fine. So you just have to repeat that to yourself. Okay, don't react, calm down. So you just have to repeat to yourself that thing. Yeah.
Yeah, but sometimes it
Okay,
happens
fine.
instantly. The reaction is so fast, just you cannot control it. Sometimes it also happen like that. The moment
Yeah.
you come to know, okay, he's cheating on me,
Mm.
the reaction is just instant. In such
Yes, and
cases,
justifiably so, right? So it is a valid reason to get angry if someone is being too dishonest or cheating. I think we have to express it sometimes.
yeah, it comes automatically. Even you don't realize that you just how to use this, blurt it out or blast out or
Yes,
like
you
something.
can say, yeah, there's a sudden outburst. Yeah.
Outburst, yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah, sudden
Yes.
outburst. Yeah.
Even blurt it out is also fine. Okay, you blurt out. Blurt it out means you're just instantly reacting, or without your control you end up saying something. Yeah, you just
Yeah,
blurt
you
out
even
the
don't
truth.
realize that you have said so many things in such a fit of rage. After saying that, you now, oh my God, I have said so many things. I should not have reacted like this. It happens
Yes.
after that.
Yes, but sometimes it's how hello. Hello.
Hello, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, your video was paused for a second, so I just checked.
Maybe network issue, yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay, it's fine now, right? Yeah, I was just saying that it does happen no matter how much we try to control our anger. Sometimes, like, there's no, we can't control it. Like, sometimes there is that outburst, and yeah, it's necessary because otherwise, people sometimes take you for granted. If you don't draw the line, if there's no boundary, right? So, yeah, sometimes it's necessary. Okay.
Yeah, and we get to be careful
Mm-hmm.
while dealing with that person next time. because now
Mm.
we know that he can
Mhm.
cheat on us. Yeah.
Yeah. We have to be very careful. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And let's imagine that someone, your close friend, okay, you and your friend have decided to go to a party. Okay, finally, Subhash has made up his mind that, okay, I am going to go to this party. And you both have decided to make an entry together. And when you meet your friend, he's wearing let's imagine that he's in the most absurd kind of a suit, okay? He's wearing something that is not suiting him. The pattern is very weird. And he's just in a very weird outfit.
I
So,
just
how will you tell him?
I just interrupting you. Just
Yeah, yeah.
one call came.
Okay, okay. Even now, I think you're getting a call.
Just I could not hear you.
No problem. I'll repeat it. No problem at all. So I was saying that let's imagine that you and your friend decides to go to a party and your friend is in a very weird outfit, okay? And the minute you see him, you can't start controlling you can't control your laughter, but you can't hurt his feelings also. So how will you handle this situation? Will you tell him honestly, like, okay, you're looking weird, go and change, or will tell it in a different way?
Yeah, if he's my partner, then I will tell him. I will call him and I will tell him exactly what I am feeling. Uh, that the dress that he has worn will make other people. It will the other people's may
Mhm.
what to say. Others people may make fun of him.
Yeah,
So
other people might mock him or
yes.
make fun of him. Yeah.
Yeah, so that would not be good. I mean, I would not feel good if they
Yes.
make this.
Hmm.
So it's
Hmm.
better if you don't mind, you can change it. So I am telling you just what I am feeling
Hmm.
about his dress. Now it
Hmm.
is up to you. Even after saying this, if you want to go with this, okay, that's fine. I just felt like because I
Okay.
am a good friend of you, I just felt like
Uh-huh.
it. And I told you.
Okay. Yeah. So if it's our friends, I think we can be honest. Yeah, we can afford that.
Yes,
They'll
yes,
understand.
because I feel that if somebody mocks at him, it will affect me also because he is my friend.
Mhm.
So I
Yes.
should tell him.
Yes. Good. That's a good decision on your part. And ever in your life, have you ever lied about, being stuck in traffic? You're late for an event and people are calling you and you're like, okay, okay, I'm on my way, but you're nowhere close. Has that ever happened?
Yeah, but I don't know you believe me or not. I generally find it very difficult to
Mhm.
tell lie, even though it's a small one. Uh,
Okay.
so I hardly say this thing. But
Hmm.
if there is such occasion that if I don't say, the other
Yeah.
person may feel bad. So
Hmm.
in order to make the situation or the relationship in a good condition, yes, and it more happens with our say when we go to office and we cannot make it in time. So sometimes we do that. Oh, I got uh, stuck in a traffic jam. That's why I could not make it. Sir, I started early, but that's what happened that I could not reach office in time.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's okay, I guess. I think every person must have done it at some point in their life. I think no one can say that no, I've not done it because we all are guilty of it. Yeah.
Yes. And nowadays, due to this mobile phone, I have seen that people uh, telling lies, and I just get to see that someone say
Mhm.
I am traveling on a bus, and the person beside me I got a call, and he's saying, "Now, right now, I am in such a place, but I know that this is not the place that is person." It
Yeah.
often happens. I've seen.
Okay, so you have caught people red-handed.
It is obvious. Suppose now you are in
Yeah.
Bangalore and in a particular place of Bangalore, you are going on a bus and you've heard somebody is telling to other person, "Oh, right now I am there," which is not actually what he is telling. It
Yes.
happens
Yes.
many times. I have seen many people are doing this.
Mm. Okay, okay. So I have never seen anyone do it. I have done it once or twice.
Oh,
I've
you
not
haven't
seen
seen?
anyone do it.
Okay, okay. I've
No, no,
seen.
no, I've not seen. Yeah, it would be very funny though if I ever get a chance like that. I don't think I'll be able to control my laughter because then I'll remember the situation that you've told me. Then, so yeah, that would be quite an amusing
And
situation.
I
Let's
think that
see.
people have accepted it also
Mhm.
because nobody reacts. Oh, this person is telling lie, because
Mm.
sometimes or other he also have done such things. So it is quite
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes. True, true, Subhash. That's absolutely accurate. Okay. So yeah, before time runs out, right? I want
Yeah.
to tell you one small thing. This is the feedback. Okay. This you said when somebody invite you. So somebody is one person. Now we'll say somebody invites you. Okay.
Yeah,
And
that's
when you
always
talk,
happens to me. Even though I
uh,
know this, but while speaking, it always happens to me. I make the mistake.
Mm, maybe sometimes, not always, I guess. Okay, it's okay. Now that you've heard it from
No,
some other
no, this
person,
is
maybe
not the
next time
first
you won't do it.
time. This is not the first time.
Um,
So
okay.
earlier also, two, three tutors told me, and you see, though I am telling that we should learn from our mistake, but I am not learning. You see.
That's okay. That's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. Okay, it'll come with time. So maybe you've improved in other areas, like your fluency has improved, your the logical, progressive flow of ideas has improved. So your vocabulary has improved. So these minor things also give yourself some time. I'm pretty sure you'll overcome this also. Just be patient with yourself. That's it.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah.
Yeah, that is it. And the other body language should be plural. So like that.
Pardon, I could not hear you actually. Again, it happened like this network issue.
Okay. So I said that body language give out,
Okay,
you mentioned na, it's actually body language gives out the clues. Okay. Gives out.
oh,
Because
okay, okay.
language again is a singular, so verb will be plural. So
Yes, yes.
that's it. So it was again the same thing. Just next time maybe you can be a little more mindful of it. Okay. It's not some glaring mistake, but still if you improve it, it'll be better. That's